some new fidgets, so you're gonna unbox them with me. Let's go. First, we got these super cool pop tubes. I've never had pop tubes, so I'm gonna open these up. Here we go. I'm gonna try one. Wait. Okay, so these are super cool. I really like it. It's really noisy as well. The next thing is this dimple spinner. I've never had one of these either. Here it is. Let's see how it pops. Ooh, this is the good side. Also spins well. Let's go to the next thing. These stress balls, let me open them. Okay, let's open. Oh my god, this is amazing. And this is really cool. Finally, this ice cream poppet. This is my dream poppet. I finally have my dream poppet. Thanks for watching.